Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use OBS to record your screen and audio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your OBS and here you'll find the sources section. Now click on this plus icon and click on display capture. Click on OK. And you can adjust the settings and click on OK, and again click on this plus icon and click on audio input capture. Click on OK and click on device and select your input device. Right now I'm using this microphone, so I'm selecting here this one and clicking on OK. And after that, click on settings, click on output, and here you can change your video bitrate, audio bitrate, encoder, and you can change here your recording path. You can change here your recording format and then click on OK. And after that, all you have to need, just click on start recording and your screen and your audio will be recorded. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.